Ascension is the fulfillment of humanity's evolutionary blueprint. The process of ascension takes place through the organic structures of the interdimensional universal stargate system, which is referred to as the Universal Templar. Ascension happens via the organic process of atomic transfiguration, through which a being is enabled to biologically engage natural multidimensional spiritual evolution back into wholeness, freedom and eternal life express ion. Through the process of atomic transfiguration, which involves very specific structures and processes inherent to the laws of multidimensional physics as they apply to human bio-spiritual anatomy, a human being can experience ascension passage into ever greater states of multidimensional bio-spiritual evolution. Ascension passage is the organic bio-spiritual process of dimensional translocation, visitation, and transmigration, relocation, through the multidimensional structures of space-time, which culminates in re-evolution back into the original eternal state of pure consciousness from which all initially emerged. Ascension is not some lofty spiritual concept designed by the minds of man, it is a literal, tangible scientific process of the evolution of consciousness and biology within the laws of energy mechanics that apply to a multidimensional reality system. You can go about your human lives, with your consciousness confined to the limitations presently imposed by your physical body, or you can learn the mechanics by which those limitations can be released, and begin to experience the reality of freedom that is the comprehension of yourself as soul. At the death of your physical body you will discover that your consciousness lives on and your evolution continues. All souls will eventually evolve and ascend through the 15th-dimensional scale, to re-emerge as sentient identity within the realms of pure consciousness beyond the dimensional systems. This is a personal responsibility, and although guardians from Harmonic Universe 2 can assist in this process, the ultimate success of DNA building lies in the hands of the embodied consciousness who directs this process by the way in which personal energy is used and applied. The process of ascension is simply going up the dimensional scale by raising the particle pulsation rhythm of your body. It's a holy concept because that is what the concept of spiritual evolution really is about. As you do this you pull in more at one ment with your God/source. So ascension is a religious concept and a scientific concept all at once. The process of dimensional ascension and biological and planetary evolution is the process of accretion or of drawing of successive multidimensional frequency bands into the morphogenetic field. As the planetary body or human body evolves through frequency accretion, the energetic capsules within the auric field progressively undergo transmutation of form. Once a morphogenetic field has accreted most of the frequency bands from the 3 dimensions that compose one harmonic universe, the energy capsules that correspond to these 3 lower dimensions begin to dissolve. The particles contained within the dissolving auric capsules open into the auric capsules of the next 3 highest dimensions, in the next harmonic universe up. This is the energetic dynamics by which forms and consciousness progressively evolve from one harmonic universe to the next. Before Starburst and Starfire we were traveling a path of ascension that took us vertically up the stargates. The ascension path through the SGS can be progressive and slow, or as we found out in Hetharo/Hethalon, it can entail leaps along the way of our ascent. In a normal stellar activation cycle as the Earth evolves, we would evolve with it, expanding our morphogenetic field and raising our pulsation rhythm of particle content until we could evolve into the harmonic universe 2 times cycles to become our soul self-identity. Because we are in a super-accelerated timeline cycle reset, we are taking a fast path evac called Starfire, which is an ascension in toward the core, as opposed to an ascension through the outer domain stargates. The whole process of dimensional ascension is a process of initiations, consummations and activations of higher and higher levels of Kalen codes.